Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making box cake cookies. We're going to use a box mix to make some really delicious cookies, put some sprinkles on there, and you are good to go. Kids will love them, adults love them, so I'm excited to share them with you. Let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough.